Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnails in seconds. Okay, so I ran into this application like a few days ago. And normally what I'm doing for my channel, you come here to YouTube and then you have options to search for YouTube thumbnails. So I give you the YouTube thumbnails and then you have to click on it, modify it, and add, whatever elements you want to add to the thumbnail itself, right? So you have to have some creative aspect on your own. As you see on my previous videos, I have created some of these thumbnails myself. They're not the best, but I'm just trying to be creative, trying to see what the algorithm likes and see what is pushing, right? Again, I've had some successes on some of the thumbnails that I had that have brought hundreds of views, some not really. But again, it's all about testing. YouTube has an option for A/B testing. Actually, it's ABC testing, where you can actually add 3 thumbnails. And those are the thumbnails that are going to be shown to the users. And then depending on which one has the most engagement, that is the one that is going to be shown throughout the time. Okay. But I wanted to show you this tool here. And I'm going to move myself down right here, make my head smaller. And here's some of the thumbnails that I've created in the past like few days. They actually have a discount here, like 50% discount. I bought this one for $24. They gave me, I think, a 30 plus credit. And now I have around 86 based on these thumbnails that I've created so far. Okay. So I wanted to kind of give you an idea of another AI tool that you can utilize. I'm going to go ahead and create a prompt here. That way you can see what the outcome is and some of the settings that it has. But as you can see, I'm actually showing things that I use. I just don't want to refer things if I haven't used them in the past. And as you can see here also, this is my latest video that I just created. This was based on an application that I created for sales reps. This also using AI, where you have an AI agent going back and forth with you for you to be able to, if you're in sales or you're a closer SDR. This actually works also to answer calls, but the purpose of this right now is for sales reps. And then the AI agent would be the salesperson, and then whoever is using it is the prospect, and you can actually go back and forth, try different objections, and just have that conversation. So that's where I started using these specific thumbnails. And that is the video that I just showed you that just launched, which is this one here. So I added 3, I created this one, I created this one, and I created this one. So let's see in around, 10, 20 days, what the result would be. And I have other few coming up. So I just wanted to kind of test it with you and show you how it works, and that should do it. I think these are pretty cool images that it generates. Of course, you gotta test it. But let's see if I say how to build a SaaS fast. Okay, you can actually have here on the settings, I have auto on all of them. Actually, let me show you. Here's some examples of the ones that I've created. So you can see here, this one was default. This one was realistic, which I didn't really like. This one was, which option? Anime. So that's that one. And then in general, these are the ones that are default. And these 2, I actually told it that I wanted a black background. These 2 wanted a black background and green, and it actually generated this one. So for this one, I'm just going to say how to build a SaaS fast. I want to generate 2. That way you can see that. And then here on the custom thumbnail optional, I want to add something else. That way you can see how it generates. And this actually generates in seconds. So it's less than 60 seconds. You could potentially have a viral thumbnail, which is the goal. But again, you wouldn't know that until you post it and you make the video, right? So let's see what the outcome is. And then we can try another one to see what it generates, see if we like it. And again, you can go to ni3.app. It'll actually look like this one. It'll look like that. You hit get started, and then you're gonna have to buy credits in order for you to use it. And that's it. So we got that one. So build SaaS fast, great. But then I want to say, you know, please keep the background. Please use a black background, and please make sure it is a modern, make sure it has a modern look and virality. I don't even know what that means, but let's see what he comes up with. This is more generic. It's not bad. This was I'm going to be using in the next few days. So let's see. So again, that was a few seconds. Then I'm gonna see what this looks like. We can try another one, but let's see. This is mostly to speed up the process. This is to, try new things. Again, these applications, and the beauty of this one is per credit. You don't actually have to do monthly payment. So, this one is not bad. It's just black. I don't know if black should be the color for the thumbnails in YouTube. You want something that pops. But again, you just have to try new things or try a few things in order for you to see what works. Let's just do the same and then say modern look and virality with some green in it. And I'm using my credits just to show you, but I'm sure that I'm going to be using some of these. Maybe I use them all. I've used the majority of these. Let's see. So I use that one. It just has like 6 fingers. This one is fine. I like the green color. Fast, creative. And then this is for viral thumbnails. There you go. So let's see. Let's go back to this. Build SaaS fast. I like this one. So this one is kind of eye-catching. So again, I'm gonna use all 3 of them, but I just wanted to show you what other tools are in the market, something that I'm using myself, something that I'm actually leveraging to create my videos. And then, anything else I try, anything else that I feel is going to be useful to you, make sure that I'll document it. But again, it was a quick video just for me to show you this new tool that I found. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.